Hello everybody. In this video I want to talk about MQTT. The MQTT protocol. So what is the MQTT protocol? How does it work? Which roles does the MQTT protocol consist of? And I also want to show a demo of MQTT with the Mosquitto client. So there's a client called Mosquitto and it implemented the MQTT protocol, and I want to show a demo about that in a second. So first of all, if I Google MQTT and go to Google Pictures, then I can see some good diagrams here. For example, this one, and I can show you this and explain it in detail. So first of all, there's the MQTT Broker, which acts somehow like a server which receives um, data and forwards this data to subscribers. And okay, so I already mentioned subscribers. There are publishers on the one hand, which publish messages to the broker, and on the other hand, subscribers which receive those messages, which are published by publishers to the brokers. And yeah, the subscriber, as the name suggests, subscribe to topics, and topics is the next important thing here. So first of all, MQTT broker, it is the broker between the publisher and the subscribers. There can also be many publishers, by the way, not only one. So this example just shows one publisher, but there can be many publishers and they can publish on many topics. And so publisher, MQTT broker, topic, subscriber. These are the main roles and characteristics, and of course the data which is transmitted from publisher to subscriber. Okay, so and if I also Google MQTT, so what is MQTT standing for? It is message queuing telemetry transport. Just to say the full word of that. If I go to the mqtt.org website, then I can see MQTT is a standard messaging protocol for the Internet of Things. It is designed as an extremely lightweight publish-subscribe messaging transport. So this is an important sentence here. Publish-subscribe pattern that is ideal for connecting remote devices with a small code footprint, also very important, and minimal network bandwidth. MQTT today is used in a wide variety of industries such as automotive, manufacturing, telecommunications, oil and gas, etc. So here are some advantages of MQTT, and as mentioned, in many industries is MQTT used. Okay, now let's go straight into the demo and see how MQTT works. And for that I show Mosquitto, um, which implements the MQTT protocol and works very good in a command line tool interface. By the way, you can use MQTT also with Python, with Golang, with any popular programming languages. But now I want to show you MQTT with an example of a command line tool, and this is called Mosquitto. So first of all, I want to start the Mosquitto server, the MQTT broker, and for that I just type Mosquitto, and now it listens on this port, and I open another tab and I just type mosquitto sub -h for host, and the host is localhost because my server or the MQTT broker is running on my local host. Then the port is 1883, which is, by the way, the default port of MQTT. And then I need a topic. For example, is here a topic? Yeah, maybe let's take just this topic name, test. And now this subscriber subscribed to this topic. And we also received a debug message on the broker tab, which just says that there's a new client connected from this IP address, which is also my local host, and the Mosquitto Broker gave a random name to that client. So now I want to show a publisher publishing a message on the same host, local host, on the same port where the broker is running, and the topic is of course this one, the test. And now we need a message. So the publisher wants to send a message on that topic to the MQTT broker, and then, so let's for example say hi or hello, and now the broker receives that message and looks which subscribers, or do I have any subscriber which are subscribing on this topic, and everyone who subscribes on this topic gets this message. So now if everything works fine, then this subscriber will receive this message. So if I press enter, yes, that worked. And I also received some debug messages on the broker side. And I can also of course have multiple subscribers which listen to the same topic. Okay, this also subscribes to the same topic, and now if I publish again, both get the message hi. Okay, and I can also open another subscriber of course, and then it will work the same. 1 2 3 4. Okay, great, it works. So but you can also see that subscriber just receive messages from when they start subscribing, so they don't receive previous messages unless I configure the MQTT broker in a way in his configuration which then makes it possible to receive maybe also older messages. But for now on, the default configurations are just like how we see it. And now maybe let's have another subscriber which subscribes on another topic, for example on maybe temperature. Okay, and if I send a message on test, hello, then of course the other subscribers get the message, but this doesn't. And if I send a message on the other topic, temperature, then of course maybe 25 degrees Celsius, and of course this subscriber gets now this topic, this message. So now we understood how MQTT works, and yeah, that's actually it from this video. Please, if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe my channel, give my videos a like, and also comment your messages. Yeah, that's from me. Bye bye.